Hello guys, my name is Pravi Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink. And another thing, this backlink is a highly indexable backlink. So before I have created my account on this website, and my backlink should indexed in Google database, Google SCRP. So that's why I was considered to I can share with you guys for this website a tutorial to how you can create your backlink, and there you can also create your forum backlink and your do follow profile backlink. So now we can start. So first thing, we can gonna do research about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 60, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 42, and the spam score is only 5%. According to SimilarWeb, this website having a 39.6k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from Pakistan, India, Vietnam, Germany, Poland, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for the backlinking. And the thing is, this is indexable do follow backlink. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you can click on the register button and we can create our profile. So you can acknowledge the terms and condition. So there you can add your username and your password, and there you can add your email ID. So which email ID you can use to create a profile. After that you can click on the submit button, and this site will send you the verification email. So we can check our Gmail box, and yeah, I received, and you can click on this link to activate your account. So our account is successfully activated. After that you can click on the login button, and you can log in your account. So our account is successfully created. So you can say this is our username. So you can click on this. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Click on the control user panel, and click on the profile section, and there is some option to we can fill this gap. So in the interest, I can consider to you guys can use your home page targeted keyword or your home page title. So virtual interviewing platform, video interview assessment, and I have also generated Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform is streamline. Yeah, so this is a best for me, and there I can use a short description. So let me use this short description. Let me copy, added, and in the website section there you can add your website URL, and there you can add your location, and there you can add your Facebook username, and if you wanting to use a YouTube, so you can add your YouTube username only. Okay, there you can add your Twitter username. So this is username, and after that you can click on the submit button. Once you create your profile, after that you can click on the your username, and there is also option to you can click on the view profile. So this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is our company name, and this is our heading, and this is the description, this is the location, and I can show you this is no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and after that how you can create your forum backlink on this website. So simply you can click on the home page, click on the logo and then navigate on the home section, and after that you can if you wanting to contribute on any specific thread, so you can search your threads, and after that you can start contributing. Suppose that if I wanting to put my thoughts on this conversation, so you can click on this and there you can submit your description. Okay, so suppose that if I wanting to submit this one, just for the example, let me put this, and after that you can click on the submit button. So this message has been successfully submitted, and but it will need be approved by a moderator. So they will moderator team will gonna to approve your thoughts, and after that if you wanting to post or submit any new threads, so you guys will wait some days, some of a couple of days, then once your account is got matured, then you are able to create your threads on this website. Either you are able to contribute on another threads. Okay, so this is a process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.